Good morning, students. Yesterday we have started one example. That example we completed already. AB whole dash, that you got AB whole dash equal to 16 minus 8, 48, 2 minus 1, 6, 6 minus 3, 18. This is the value of AB whole dash. After that, we calculated B dash, that is transpose of B, that is 8, 1, 3. It is along column matrix. Similarly, A dash, this column matrix changes to row matrix, 2 minus 1, 6. Next, if we verify B dash, A dash value, now you start row with column, that is 8, 1, 3 into 2 minus 1, 6. Row is multiplied with column. Now, first we start with 8 with all the columns, that is 8 into 2, 16, 8 into minus 1, minus 8, 8 into 6, 48. Next, second row with all columns, 1 into 2, 2, 1 into minus 1, 1 into 6 is 6. And third row with all columns, 3 into 2 is 6, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, 3 into 6 is 18. Now you call this as question number 2. Now by using 1 and 2, we observe that right hand sides are equal, therefore left hand sides must be equal. Therefore by 1 and 2, AB whole dash equal to B dash A dash. Now we go for another some of the similar examples. Next example, if A equal to 3 to 5, B equal to minus 1 to 3, verify that AB whole dash equal to B dash A dash. Now first you go for LHS. First you find AB matrix. A into B. A is given by 3 to 5 into minus 1 to 3. Now go for AB matrix, that is first row with all the columns, 3 into minus 1, minus 3, 3 into 2 is 6, 3 into 3 is 9. Next, second row with all columns, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 3 is 6. Next, third row with all columns, 5 into minus 1 is minus 5, 5 into 2 is 10, 5 into 3 is 15. It is matrix AB. Then we go for AB dash. It is transpose of AB matrix, that is changing rows into columns and columns into rows, that is minus 3, minus 2, minus 5. It is first row, and second row is 6, 4, 10, and third row is 9, 6, 15. Call this as 1. Next go for B dash, that is transpose of matrix B. Here minus 1, 2, 3 changing into column, that is minus 1, 2, 3. It is B dash matrix. Next we find A dash. A dash is transpose of A. Now it is column matrix, it is changing to row matrix, that is 3, 2, 5. Now it is A dash matrix. Next we find B dash into A dash. B dash into A dash equal to B dash is minus 1, 2, 3. A dash is 3 to 5. Now multiply these two matrices. It is row with column. First we multiply minus 1 with all the elements, that is minus 1 into 3, minus 3, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, minus 1 into 5, minus 5. Next we go for second row with all columns. 2 into 3 is 6, 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 5 is 10. Next Third row with all columns. 3 into 3 is 9, 3 into 2 is 6, 3 into 5 is 15. Call this as 2. It is B dash A dash. Now we observe from 1 and 2 that here right hand side values are equal. Therefore left hand side values must be equal. Therefore by 1 and 2 we conclude that AB whole dash equal to B dash A dash. Now it is verification of the example. As I told, this type of examples are very important for 5 mark question. That is important 5 mark question. Next we go for another one similar example. If A equal to 5 to minus 1, B equal to 2, 3 minus 1, verify that AB whole dash equal to B dash A dash. Now first go for left hand side, that is AB is given by 5 2 minus 1 into 2 3 minus 1. Now we multiply row with column, that is 5 into 2 is 10, 5 into 3 is 15, 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. Second row, 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 3 is 6, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Third row, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, minus 1 into 3, minus 3, minus into minus, plus 1. Now AB dash equal to transpose of this AB matrix, that is 10, 4, minus 2. Second column changes to second row, 15, 6, minus 3, and third column changes to third row, minus 5, minus 2, 1. Call this as equation number 1. It is AB dash. Next we go for B dash, that is transpose of B. Now it changes to column matrix, that is 2, 3, minus 1. After that we go for A dash. Now it changes to row matrix, 5, 2, minus 1, 5, 2, minus 1. Next we go for B dash, A dash. B dash, A dash is given by, it is 2, 3, minus 1 into 5, 2, minus 1. Now multiply row with columns. Now first by 2, 2 into 5 is 10, 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Next by second row, 3 into 5 is 15, 3 into 2 is 6, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Next by third row with all columns, minus 5, minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, minus into minus is plus 1. Call this as 2. Now we observe that again here right hand side values are equal, therefore left hand sides must be equal. Therefore by 1 and 2 we conclude that AB whole dash equal to B dash A dash. Like that can make the verification by using the transpose of the matrix. Next we go for another example. If A equal to A dash equal to 2, 1, 3, minus 1, 4, 2, and B equal to 4, 3, 2, 1, minus 1, 1, then verify that A plus B whole dash equal to A dash plus B dash. Now we observe the question. It is given that transpose of A and B matrix, using that we verify this result, A plus B whole dash equal to A dash plus B dash. Now, in the left hand side we want A plus B first. First we calculate matrix A, then we can take A plus B, after that transpose of A plus B. Now they given A dash is given A dash equal to 2, 1, 3 minus 1, 4, 2. It is A dash, but we want A matrix. We know the property A is given by A dash whole dash, means transpose of A dash. Make transpose of this, then we get it is 2 minus 1, 1, 4, 3, 2. It is the matrix A. Now you calculate matrix A plus B. A plus B equal to, it is 2 minus 1, 1, 4, 3, 2 plus B matrix is 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1 minus 1, 1. Now add these two by addition of matrices. Corresponding elements 2 plus 4 is 6, minus 1 plus 3 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 4 plus 1 is 5, and 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. It is A plus B. Next to go for transpose of this A plus B whole dash. Now it is written as 6, 3, 2, 2, 5, 3. It is A plus B whole dash. Next to go for right hand side, that is A dash plus B dash. A dash is already there. A dash equal to 2, 1, 3 minus 1, 4, 2. We calculate B dash. B dash is given by 4, 2 minus 1, 3, 1, 1. It is B dash matrix. Next to go for A dash plus B dash. A dash plus B dash equal to, A dash value is, it is A dash is 2, 1, 3 minus 1, 4, 2. B dash is 4, 2 minus 1 and 3, 1, 1. It is B dash matrix. Now you can add this 2 plus 4, 6, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 minus 1, 2. Second row, minus 1 plus 3, 2 and 4 plus 1 is 5, 2 plus 1 is 3. Call this as 2. Then we conclude by 1 and 2 that A plus B whole dash equal to A dash plus B dash. It is verification of the result. Next go for another example. A equal to minus 2, 3, 1, 2. B equal to minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Then find the value of A plus 2B whole dash. So for that, first we calculate A plus 2B matrix. That is A plus 2 into B. A is minus 2, 3, 1, 2 as it is, plus 2 as it is. B matrix is minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Now we simplify minus 2, 3, 1, 2 as it is, plus it is scalar multiplication. 2 into minus 1, minus 2, 2 into 0, 0, 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2 is 4. Now add these two, minus 2, minus 2, minus 4, 3 plus 0 is 3, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 4 is 6. It is the matrix A plus 2B. Now it is asked A plus 2B whole dash. A plus 2B whole dash equal to change of rows and column of this matrix, that is minus 4, 3, 3, 6. minus 4, 3. It is first row, 3 is 6. It is second column changes to second row. It is the value of a plus 2b whole dash. Next we go for another example. If a equal to cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, prove that a dash a equal to I. Now first we go for the transpose of a, that is a dash. Here the rows and columns are interchanging, that is cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. It is the transpose of matrix A. Here first column changing to first row and second column changing to second row. It is a dash. Next we go for a dash into a. A dash is cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha into a is, it is cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Now we start multiplication, row with column. Now it is first cos alpha into cos alpha, that is cos square alpha, minus sin alpha into minus sin alpha, it is plus sin square alpha. Next first row with second column, cos alpha into sin alpha and plus minus sin alpha into cos alpha, that is minus cos alpha into sin alpha. Next second row with first column, sin alpha into cos alpha, that is sin alpha cos alpha plus cos alpha into minus sin alpha is minus sin alpha into cos alpha. Next we go for second row with second column, sin alpha into sin alpha is sin square alpha plus cos alpha into cos alpha is cos square alpha. Now as we know that cos square alpha plus sin square alpha equal to 1, it is equal to 1. Here these two get cancelled, it is 0. Here sin alpha cos alpha and minus alpha cos alpha cancel, it is also 0. And sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1. Now it is nothing but identity matrix. Now we considered LHS and we proved it is equal to RHS. It is proof of the result. The reason is that it is cos square theta plus sin square theta is always equal to 1. By using this trigonometric identity, we proved the result, that is 1 0 0 1, which is nothing but I, that is identity matrix. Next we go for another important discussion, that is symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Now we discuss symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. In that first we go for symmetric matrix. If we consider a square matrix A equal to Aij, it is said to be a symmetric matrix if and only if A dash equal to A. That means if you take the transpose of this matrix, then you get the same matrix, then it is considered as symmetric matrix. That is Aij is equal to Aj for all possible values of I and j. For all possible values of I and j, it is considered as symmetric matrix. For example, if you take A equal to 2, 8, it is 8, 5. If it is a given square matrix, now we consider A dash means transpose of A. Now we change the rows into column and column into rows. We get again 2, 8, 8, 5. Because if you change 2, 8 into row, it is 2, 8. If you change 8, 5 into row, it is again 8, 5. Now we observe that A and A dash are equal. Therefore, we say that A dash equal to A. Therefore, here A is symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. Because here we observe that A dash equal to A. Transpose of A is equal to A only. Next, we go for skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Now, if A is any given matrix, that is Aij, it is said to be a skew symmetric matrix if and only if A dash equal to minus A. Means the transpose of A should be equal to negative of that matrix, then it is considered as skew symmetric matrix. If A equal to Aij, it is said to be skew symmetric matrix only when it is Aji equal to minus of Aij. If this condition for all possible values of I and J, for all possible values of I and J, such type of matrix is considered as skew symmetric matrix. Here we observe that the transpose of A should be equal to the negative of the given matrix. If both are equal, then it is considered as skew symmetric matrix. For example, if A equal to 0 to minus 2, 0, it is a given square matrix. First we consider transpose of this, that is A dash. A dash equal to, now you transpose this, you get 0 minus 2, 2, 0. It is transpose of A. Next we consider minus A. Minus A means minus 1 into A. So minus 1, A is 0, 2, minus 2, 0. Now it is scalar multiplication. Multiply all elements by minus 1. You get 0, minus 2, 2, 0. Now it is minus A. Now you observe here A dash is 0, minus 2, 2, 0. Minus A also 0, minus 2, 2, 0. Both are equal. Therefore we observe that A dash equal to minus A, which is satisfying the condition of skew symmetric matrix. Therefore here we say that A is skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Usually if the matrix is skew symmetric, we observe that the diagonal elements are equal to 0 and non-diagonal elements are on both sides of equal but opposite sign. It is the trick of writing the skew symmetric matrix. If you consider another example, B equal to 0, minus 8, 8, 0. It is also skew symmetric matrix because as you observe that here diagonal elements are equal to 0 and non-diagonal elements are equal but opposite sign. Here it is 8, it is minus 8. If you consider B dash equal to 0, 8, minus 8, 0 and minus B is 0, 8, minus 8, 0. Now we conclude that both are equal, that is B dash equal to minus B. B dash equal to minus B. Therefore we say that here B is a skew symmetric matrix. start this. Now we defined what is symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Now I go for some of the examples on that one. Example, if A equal to 3, 2, minus 1, 4, prove that A plus A dash is symmetric matrix and A minus A dash is skew symmetric matrix. Now we can prove first one, A plus A dash is symmetric matrix and A minus A dash is skew symmetric matrix by using matrix A. Solution, first we consider A dash, that is transpose of A. Transpose of A is 3 minus 1, 2, 4. It is transpose of A. After that we calculate A plus A dash. A plus A dash. A is 3, 2, minus 1, 4 plus it is 3 minus 1, 2, 4. Now we can add both. 3 plus 3 is 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. Minus 1 plus 2 is 1. 4 plus 4 is 8. It is the matrix A plus A dash. Now for our convenience, we take that A plus A dash is another matrix. You take it as C. That is C equal to, we taken A plus A dash, then we get C equal to 6, 1, 1, 8. Now we consider C dash. C dash equal to again 6, 1, 1, 8. Now meaning of this is we got C dash equal to C. Therefore, if C dash equal to C, it is nothing but C is symmetric matrix. C is symmetric matrix. C is symmetric matrix. But what is C here? C we considered as A plus A dash. Therefore, meaning of this is A plus A dash is symmetric matrix. A plus A dash is symmetric matrix. It is proof of the first result, that is A plus A dash is symmetric matrix. Next we go for second result, that is A minus A dash. A minus A dash is given by, first A is 3, 2, minus 1, 4, minus A dash is 3 minus 1, 2, 4. Now we take the difference of these two matrices. This is equal to 3 minus 3 is 0. 2 minus of minus 1, that is 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Next, minus 1 minus 2, that is minus 3. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now it is the value of A minus A dash. Now for our convenience, you take D equal to A minus A dash. It is another matrix. Now we consider the transpose of this, that is D dash. D dash is given by, now transpose this, it is taken as D. It is 0 minus 3, 3, 0. It is the matrix D dash. Next we consider the matrix minus D. Minus D written as minus 1 into D. It is minus 1 into D you taken as 0, 3, minus 3, 0. Now it is scalar multiplication. Multiply by all with minus 1. Minus 1 into 0, 0. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Next, minus 1 into minus 3 is plus 3. Minus 1 into 0 is 0. Now what you observe here? Here minus d is 0 minus 3 3 0, minus d also, sorry, d dash is 0 minus 3 3 0, minus d also 0 minus 3 3 0, both are equal. Therefore we observe that d dash equal to minus d, means d is q symmetric, but d is what? D we taken as a minus a dash. Therefore d is skew symmetric matrix, skew symmetric matrix. That is, d means what you have taken? A minus a dash. A minus a dash is skew symmetric matrix. A minus a dash is skew symmetric matrix. So it is satisfying for all the square matrices. If you take any square matrix of second order or third order or any other order, if you observe the condition, everywhere it satisfies that A plus A dash is symmetric matrix and A minus A dash is skew symmetric matrix. It satisfies for all the square matrices which you take all as real numbers or real entries. Take this. Now we go for next example. It is given that so that 1 minus 1 5 minus 1 2 1 5 1 3, that is A equal to is a symmetric matrix, and second one so that 0 1 minus 1 minus 1 0 1 1 minus 1 0 is a skew symmetric matrix. First we go for first matrix. A equal to 1 minus 1 5 minus 1 2 1 5 1 3. It is a given matrix A. Then you go for A dash, that is transpose of A. Transpose of A is change rows into columns into rows. 1 minus 1 5. You change into column, that is 1 minus 1 5. Second minus 1 2 1. Next 5 1 3. Now we observe that both A and A dash are equal. Therefore we write A equal to A dash or A dash equal to A. Therefore here A is symmetric matrix. A is symmetric matrix. Now we go for second one. Here it is given that A equal to 0 1 minus 1, second row minus 1 0 1, and third row is 1 minus 1 0. Now we go for A dash, that is transpose of A. Transpose of A, we write rows into columns, that is 0 1 minus 1, it is into column, minus 1 0 1 into column, next 1 minus 1 0 into column. It is A dash value. Now we go for minus A. Minus A is nothing but minus 1 into A, that is minus 1 into A is 0 1 minus 1 minus 1 0 1 1 minus 1 0. Now it is scalar multiplication. Multiply every element by minus 1. We get minus 1 into 0 0, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, minus into minus plus 1. Second row minus into minus plus 1, minus 1 into 0 0, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Next minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, minus into minus plus 1, minus 1 into 0 is 0. Now it is minus A matrix. Now we observe that A dash is 0 minus 1 1, 1 0 minus 1 and minus 1 1 0. Minus A also same, 0 minus 1 1, 1 0 minus 1, minus 1 1 0. So we observe A dash and minus A are equal. Therefore we conclude that therefore A dash equal to minus A, which is the required condition for skew symmetric matrix. Therefore, we conclude that A is skew symmetric matrix. Here A is skew symmetric matrix. Like that you prove the result. And here also you observe that if it is a skew symmetric matrix, the diagonal elements are 0, and you see the non-diagonal elements. Here -1, it is +1, here +1, it is -1, here -1, it is +1. Means the non-diagonal on both sides of principal diagonal are equal but opposite sign. Therefore, just by seeing only we conclude that it is a skew symmetric matrix. Like that you prove the result. Here first one is symmetric and second one is skew symmetric matrix. That is this.